Hi guys, it's your baby girl again. If you're a new subscribers, my name is Lillian Osunobu and you are welcome to this channel. I welcome you all to this channel, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. And so Christmas is coming. I know a lot of people want to do Christmas business, yeah, for clothes, your shoes, the bag, children wears, anything you want to do, and you are looking for where to buy it. You are looking for a cheaper site to buy those things, and you are looking for where they will ship it like 1 week and even before 10 days. Before 10 days you will see your goods. So you are looking for that. Then I want to quickly tell you how to do it. So now the first thing I will be saying, now I ordered something on AliExpress. I'm going to screen record it and put it here. So let me do that. Sorry, let me quickly screen record what I'm about to do. So now here is my AliExpress. So yesterday I select some clothes. Let me bring it out. I select some clothes I want to buy for my summer look next year. So I decided to say, okay, let me buy some clothes because I don't have much clothes. So I decided to get some clothes, and I ordered this clothes here. I will be posting the screen recording on either this place or this place, so you can see what I'm trying to say. So now when I ordered everything, the total of the clothes I ordered was 16. So I pretended that I wanted to pay for it, and I did not pay for it, so that the orders will go to unpaid. So now why I did that is because now when I put the clothes on my shopping cart, so I noticed that the shipping fees was $58, and the main money, the main clothes, the main stuff I bought, the clothes I bought was just $189 for that 16 clothes, for that 16 dress. So now the shipping was $58, and I said this is too much, so I can't afford this. So that is why I did what I did. I just pretended I was about to pay, but I did not pay. So I just used what I did. I said, okay, I want to use PayPal, or I want to use Western Union to pay for it. So I click on Western Union. If you want to check out, they will say payment. I click on Western Union, and there's no money there. So they gave me 3 days they gave me 19 days to pay for the goods. If not, the goods will disappear from my unpaid card. So this money, and I know fully well that the seller is going to contact me, because now yesterday when I put the dress in my cart, they were sleeping because of the time difference. So when I woke up this morning, I saw the message of the seller, and it said, sorry, the total of the goods I bought was $248, and that $248, when you should, let me check it, $248 USD to Naira. That gives 101,000, let's say 102,000 Naira. So for 16 clothes, I can't afford to pay that 102,000 Naira for just 16 clothes. So that is why I did what I did. So now when Now when I woke up, I saw the seller sending me message. He said, good morning, dear friend, I have adjusted the price for you. In the addition, we can ship your order by express. You see what I'm trying to say? They said they can ship my order by express. And if you want to do this, you have to buy from one person. Don't buy from this person, buy from this person, and you are expecting them to reduce for you. What I'm trying to say now, you buy one cloth from this person, you buy one cloth from this person, you buy one cloth from this person, you don't expect them to reduce the price. They will sell it according to the price that is there, and you will pay the shipping money. So what I always do is buy from one seller, then pick the dress I like, then put it in my cart, just pretend I want to pay for it, then I won't pay for it, because I know that the following, either they reply me today or the following day, they are going to send me a message. So that's why this person sent me a message. The seller sent me a message because she noticed that the things I want to buy was quite much. 16 pieces of clothes is not a small money, guys. So it was quite much. So that is why he sent me a message that I have adjusted the price for you. Addition, we can ship your order by express. And the total order I wanted to pay was $248, and now when she adjusted the price, the money I will be paying now is $189. Let's just say $190, and that is 77,000 naira. Imagine, out of 102, the money I'm paying now is just 77,000 naira. Let's say they remove 20-something thousand naira from the money. Can you imagine? So if I did not do it like that, like if I did not I did not pretend that I wanted to pay for the goods and I did not pay for it, I would have paid $248. That is the 102 if you should convert it to naira. So now, when he said you can pay it now, then we will send as soon as possible. So I have to ask them, when am I going to receive it, if I should pay? That is the one thing you must ask. If they tell you that they just adjusted the price, the next thing you will ask them is that, when will I receive it if I pay for the goods? So now, when I sent him, so I'm paying $189 USD. When will I receive the parcel? And he or she replied me and said, we can ship by express of your this order. That is what he or she sent. But I'm going to be putting the record on my screen, like I said before. So he said, after we ship out, you will receive in about 10 to 10 days. It's not even up to 2 weeks. Just imagine. So and I said, is it DHL or FedEx? Because I really want to know which company he or she is using to send me the parcel. And if you should use regular post, you will be receiving the goods, let's say in 20 days or 21 days for you to receive the goods if it is by regular post. So now she replied me and said FedEx. I said, okay, we pay for it now. So I will just end this screen recording here. So that is how you have to do it. Let's assume now you want to sell the clothes, but for me, I'm not going to be selling it. It's just the clothes I want to wear. So now, if you want to sell, you can just pick the clothes. If you notice that the cloth is not on the seller's store, what you will do, just send them message on their. I will show you. Let me do the screen recording again. So now, what you will do is just go to the AliExpress. And when you notice that this clothes you wanted to buy from the seller don't have it, all you have to do is just send the pictures of the clothes you want to buy, send it to her and say, friend, I want to buy these things. Do you have it? He or she will be the one to sort out the clothes for you. If they don't have it, they will just say, okay, can you wait for like 4 days or 5 days so that we can prepare your order? So if they tell you that, just so that they are actually going to prepare the orders. But if they don't have it, they will just say, friend, we don't have it. You want to know how to order on Fashion Nova. Now we are done with AliExpress, how you can order and how you can make them reduce the price for you, how you can make them deliver it to you fast. So guys, that will be all. Now I will have to pay for my order, and once my order arrive, I'm going to pay for the one I ordered in AliExpress, and I'm still going to tell you guys when my order arrives, how many days it took for the order to arrive. So we'll be adding the clip on this video. I'll be doing another video for that. Yes, so I hope this really helps you guys. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And for those that want to start a business on this festive period, you want to sell shoe, you want to sell bag, you want to sell clothes, anything you want to sell, anything at all, you want to sell ring light, tripod, anything you want to sell is on AliExpress. They have stuff for it. Just click on whatever you want to buy on the AliExpress, send them a message, tell them that they should reduce the money and they should ship it to you by express shipping. Just tell them that and they are going. Once they notice that the things you buy is more than 5 or 4 or 6, they will ship it for you for express delivery, and they will reduce the price for you. So once you tell them you are going to sell it, they will reduce the price. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you really like this video, Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel is free, and like I always say, all you have to do is to click on the subscribe icon and click on the post notification close to the subscribe icon so that you will get notified anytime I post a new video. Yes, and also please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any video you want me to be uploading, any video you want to be seeing on my YouTube channel. I will gladly do that. And please don't also forget to share to your loved ones, to your family, and to your friends. And if you notice any noise on this video, please bear with me. I'm close to the road because of the cars passing by. The sound is entering what the video I'm shooting. Just bear with me. Okay guys, I will have to go now. Love you guys.